Hello guys, my name is Fabio. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to the, what is it called? Semara Farm. And this is our food. We're gonna take a picnic over there. I've never tried picnic when I'm small. I've never tried. Subscribe to my channel, and this is my dad over there. We can finally have a picnic. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited to have a picnic today.
Wear your sunglasses. Stop mo na, kuya.
And here's my glasses. I already wear my glasses.
Tinanggal mo mga saksak doon, ha? Okay?
Mom, I have to do my second video. When
Go lang, sabi mo na.
Josia and Julius siya naman.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I'm a YouTuber now. Watch the road, guys. Look. Did you see me? It's epic. This is the Pier Gold Lipa. It's still far away. I need to take a short break, guys. See ya. Welcome, guys. We're in the Semara Farm. As you see, guys, I have a tree here. So I cannot find beetles here because they're hiding. Oh, flowers, nice. So we're gonna take a picnic now. Here, Bunso. Guys, this is the butterfly. I'm so scared if it is moved. It's still disgusting. It's so disgusting. So disgusting. I'm gonna throw up if I touch his face. Yo.
Yun kuya, yung ilog oh. Parang malalim din ang ilog ay, malinis kaya. Ay, Makati yan ma. Makati. Ano, delikado sa dalawa na yan. Doon banda, doon naman.
And hello guys, my name is Fabio. Hello guys. I'm gonna show you the ilog.
Ay, Julio! Ha? Grabe. Napaka-OA naman ni Julio. Tama na.
Yeah! Yeah! Ay, galing ko!